tutorial. Nandito. I'll start recording. Recording mo, ilalive ko na lang. I-highlight ko. Sige, mag-highlight video ko na lang. So, okay, let's start. Let's start eh. But before anything else, let's do... this is an example. So what we're going to do is to make the channel flex. For me, that is my channel flex. I flex my Super Love Star channels like this one. So there you go. That's Eminem Journey. Look at that. Eminem Journey with my music. I have the background music. So it's like, you can see the channels are there in a slideshow. There's the title, the name. So let's start how to do these things. Let's start doing it. Now, I'm going to share to you my screen. Yan. Can you see the screen? It's so big. Yeah. That's my screen. And on the left is the channel. Is the channel slideshow. What I did was first is to collect channels. Go to the channel. I'm going to close this one. Okay, close na natin to. I'm going to go to the channel first. You get the channels, for example, Tony. I'm using OBS, by the way. This is OBS Studio. OBS Studio, you can download this one. And then, OBS, this is OBS Studio. You can easily search for this. Let's check. Okay. Just type OBS Studio. Search the web for the OBS Studio. This one, Open Broadcast Software OBS. This one, obsproject.com. Yan. Punta tayo dito. And then you download what operating system you're using. Windows. So, download it. This is the website, obsproject.com. Windows. Download mo siya. And then, in this site, ayan, in this website, you'll be able to see the preview. So, the scenes I'm using, and then the sources, and then the audio mixer. Scene transitions and controls. You'll be able to see that in my studio. Okay, so, I already tried going live in Facebook just twice and Twitch several times and in YouTube every time. Yan, palagi yan dyan. I do that. Yeah, that feature, ayan, high performance daw, real-time video audio. Meron siyang ganyan. You can adjust this, drag everyone. The scenes, may mga scenes. You can rename the scenes 1 to 5. Yan. And then the volume. You can use microphone, adjust everything. Here in the page. The page nila. Alright. So that's the OBS Studio. And when you download, you'll be able to find that, run, and install. And for me, I put that shortcut here in the taskbar. And here. Commonly used kasi siya, so it's here. Nasa start. Okay. So, you already have your OBS Studio. Ito yung itsura. This is how it looks like. It's the complete. This is what we call the scene. So, the scene here that you can see on the left, lower portion, is the preview. In the preview, kaya palakihin ko. In the preview, yan. This is the Super Love Star Channel Flex. Here, I collected everything. The pictures. Can you see? You can see there. The pictures here. That's in the slideshow. You can select the slide Mode, automatic, and transition, I use swipe. It can be cut, fade, swipe, and slide. O, kahit ano, either. Pwede mag-swipe, sharp yan. O. And how to add those. Yan, nandito silang lahat. What you do, for example, tanggalin ko to. What's this? Super Love. I'm going to remove this. By the way, balik muna tayo. So, before you are able to put these things here, you should have these files in your computer. So, you go to the channels. For example, I'm going to open the YouTube. I'm going to get screenshot, make a screenshot of the channel. Open natin. I just use the Paint. It's so easy, madali lang. Yeah. Paint, it's so easy. So I use the Paint. Pinakamadali. Like this one. For example, I get my this one, just an example. I go to the home of a certain channel. For example, sino ba? Okay, for example, si Tony. Okay, let me see. Tony, because you are, I know, Kids and Mama. Si Kids pala. Dati ko ng the channel member. Sige, I'm going to update you. Tony's Keto live streams. Ganyan lang. So when we open the ayan si Tony. May channel, may analytics. Okay, what I do here is palalakihin ko siya. I make this mga 125%. 125%. Kasya pa yung pangalan ni Tony. Ayan. So, enlarge up to 125%. Zoom in. And then print screen. Very easy. And then paste in the Paint. Ano ko na. Ayan, maximize natin. So, this is how I do it. Yan la. This is so easy. I just tiyaga lang. And then, ayan, I get this one. Palalakihin ko to. I'm going to enlarge this. So, this is how you use Paint to resize the images. So, maybe we make this 200%. Yan. Something like that. Tony's Keto live streams, 200%. Sometimes, okay, I want to make this generic na. I will not be, because your number is increasing, it's updating every day. So what I do is just remove that information and copy your name. Kokopyahin ko to, Tony's Keto live streams. This is the how I do it. So you can copy, it's okay. And then add the name here. Dali lang yan. It's like that. I think you already know how to use the Paint. This is how to use the Paint. So, 8's color black. We make this color white because the background is black. Ay, sorry. Sorry, masyadong malaki. Take 2. Take 2. 100%, 100 ang font. So, we make this maybe 60. Ayan. And then, put the name of Tony. So, it's so, maliit siya. Make it like 80. Okay na siya. Just an example. Sige. It's just an example. Ayan. Kunwari, ina yan. Yeah, it's, so, file, save this in the computer. Yes. See? Yeah. Got it. So, you put that one in a folder, of course. Go to the pictures and put the collection of the photos in a folder. For example, nasa na? Let's look. I have already Super Love. Sige, lagay kita Super Love, Tony. So, ilalagay kita dito. Tony is K. Okay. So I have already created a folder. So make sure you have your folder because you're going to get those things, those photos from the folder. Nasaan na yun? Wait, I'm going to enlarge. Cannot see it. Yan. Palakihin ang screen so you'll be able to see. Sorry. Hindi ko pala napalaki. I'm going to enlarge this folder. So, channels in YouTube. But, nasaan na yan? Live stream files, YouTube, channels. Super Love, like this one. For example, you are there in the Super Love. Okay. Save. Save na natin. You're there. Super Love. So, there you go. How to do that? I'm going to make Super Love. Alisin ko muna to. I'll be removing this one because it's already loaded. Loaded with everything. I'm going to use the other. Let me see. So, you've already collected. You've already put everything in the folder. It's inside the folder. The photos of the channels are in the folder. Ayan, nandiyan. Review natin. Super Love, nandiyan na. It's populated already with your files. Ayan. And make sure at least they are of similar sizes. Ayan. They're in the folder. It's Super Love. So take note of the title of the folder so that you'll find it easier when you load them in your slideshow. So, dito tayo sa demo. Okay. So here, I'm going to add sources. Oh, no. Bago pala yon. Before that, I'll show you how to make a scene. Like, I already have my scene here. You can see on the left. Nakikita nyo sa left? These are the scenes. Ito yung scenes. When I play the game Paradise Island, meron siyang scene. When I pray the 3 o'clock prayer, it has also a scene, Angelus, para madali siyang ma-load, like this one. So, for the live stream, what you see on the preview, ito yung ginagawa ko. And channel flex, ayan. Pag nagmimisa, ayan. So, we'll be adding a scene. Scene, ito yun, no? Look at this. There's the plus on the left. Pindutin natin yung click that plus. Plus. Yes. Done. And then you rename this. Can you see? Add scene. So, we will rename this one because it's just named scene 2 so that we'll be able to remember. So, we will be adding super, like what I've said, Super Love, whatever name you want to name the folder, the scene, para madaling maalala. Yeah. Super Love. Yan. Super Love folder 2 kasi pangalawang folder na to so that I'll be able to, yan. O kaya scene 2, Super Love lang, ganon, 2. Ayan. And then click OK. Tapos ayan dyan na siya. You see, it's empty. What you see on the preview is what we just created. Makikita ninyo dito. You can see here. Ay, kita. Teka lang. So, this is the super. Okay. Better you can hear me. Alright. I'm not going to slide this to the right. Kasi pag ini-slide ko sa right, mawawala ang aking voice. Okay. So, what we're going to do here is, it's empty. Empty yung ating scene na Super Love. Look at this. So, this is how you use Handsome Princess. Yeah, thank you. Teta, hello. Yeah. Yes. So, this is how I actually use the OBS. So, creating a folder for the slideshow, but making one scene for that particular channel flex. So I'm going to do a channel flex for the super love chats that I said. Yan. We have here, look at this. You don't have any sources. It's written here, you don't have any sources. What I have is microphone, but there's no microphone yet here because it's not slide yet. It's in the preview. So what you have on the left is, if you slide to the right, that's what's going to be seen by the viewers. So we add sources. Sources, you can see, sources, ayan sa taas. Sources ang pangalan niya. Sources are images, eto, let's check. Check natin let's add sources. Ayan. Audio input capture is the microphone. So we will add audio input capture. And maybe it's only because you're making a new one. So ito lang tayo. Create a new mic. Create audio input capture. So sa akin kasi meron ako, I'm just going to use audio input capture 4. So that will be the new. Yan. Okay, this is the step-by-step tutorial na. Dire-diretso na to, Tony. All right. So default. What are you going to use for the microphone? Me, I'm using my microphone, the Plantronics headset. So I use the microphone, Plantronics headset. You just check, because if you don't check, you don't select the microphone that you are using, chances, and that will be the problem, because the microphone will not be detected. Okay, so just click OK. And you have here, microphone. So check this one. It's highlighted, nakikita siya. And check the filters. Ito na ha, buong OBS na to. Because you make a new one, pupunta tayo. We add filter for the microphone. Filter. So we have to add gain. Okay. Yan, add up to 0 siya ha. So you make it up to 10 decibels. Okay lang siya up to 9. Okay, mababa lang. Anyway, yung voice natin amplified up to 4 dB. And then, close mo lang siya. Ando na siya. Ayan, may gain. Sorry. Hindi pa pala nadagdagan. Noise limiter. Lalagyan natin siya ng noise limiter. Dagdagan natin ng, you can see here. Teka lang, taas ko ng konti. Dagdagan natin ng, mayroon siyang noise gate, noise suppression pala. So, may noise suppression. Philip, you help me when I get computer. Okay? Sure. Alright, so this is noise suppression. Ayan, nakaano lang siya. You can choose low CPU usage, low quality, or high. Good quality. Doon ako siyempre sa ano. So, you can see the defaults. Yan ang defaults niya. Okay, close. Yun lang importante dyan para sa ano. Now, you only have audio input capture. Kung gusto mo magsalita. And, most important, you have your slideshow. Ito yung slideshow. Slideshow. Click natin ang slideshow. That's it. Create slideshow. Ayan, create new. Create new tayo. So, make a title for that slideshow for your supers. Lab 2. Anything. Yung mga ganon. And, okay. And then, eto na yung hinihintay mo, Tony. Here it is. Alright. Sige, tuloy lang kayo dyan ha. Tuloy ko lang to. Okay. So, eto na tayo. It's empty. Oh no, sorry. Sorry, na-slide ko. Alright. Na-slide ko pa kaliwa. Okay, ito tayo. Let's continue. This is empty. Tingnan natin. So, slide mode, automatic. Ganun ang ginagawa ko. Slide transition, cut, fade, swipe, or slide. So, I'm going to use slide na lang muna. And you can adjust the speed. Pwede niyang tingnan kung gaano kabilis yung i-adjust kung gaano kabilis. And then we could scroll down dito sa baba, ayan o, loop. Check loop para dire-diretso. So the slideshow will continuously play. Because if you don't click that loop, if loop is not on, then after the videos, I mean the pictures are completely shown, then the slideshow will stop. Okay, here it is. So ito, tingnan mo. Teka lang. Palakihin ko pala, sorry. Palakihin ko. You can drag this one. You can look at this. You can drag this white. You just point this and then drag down. There's the arrow. Asa na yung arrow na yon? Pwede siyang palakihin, pwedeng paliitin. Okay, so scroll natin. You can see my mouse. Scroll down. And it's loop. Check that loop. And image file. See. Sa akin, bounding size aspect ratio automatic. Automatic na siya para hindi ako nahirapan. Kasi, ayan, there's 16:9, etc., etc. You can choose what size, but for me, it's automatic already. Para hindi mahirap. Na-try ko kasi. Okay, so this is how you do it. Tani, this is how you do it. Click this plus sign, add files, and then you go to your folder. Yan. Open that folder. You have them all in the folder. So, Control A, and then open. There they are. Can you see it now? It's there already. So that's that easy. Yeah. Okay, so that's how it is. And then you resize, by the way. You can see it's so big. Punong-puno sila. Look at this. Can you see? It's so you can size, drag down. Pwede kayo mag-size down, but for me, I better do this. I drag it. Yung corner niya, 2 arrows. 2 arrows. Yan, you can drag the size. So, that's it. You can drag this, make this bigger, make this smaller. Take note that this is the preview. This is screen when slide to the right will be what's going to be seen by the viewers. Yan. And that's what, that's the, yan, sa program. Yeah. Nahirapan magsalita. Okay, it's a slideshow now. You can see that. So, you already have your folder, the slideshow. And then you add another. What you want to add is music. Media source. Yes. All right, media source. We will be adding music. Para may sound naman yung slideshow natin. So you can add music also from your computer. So just click OK. Let's say music 1. Music 1 first. Yeah, music 1. And then OK. Don't forget to loop. Always click this loop. Loop. Can you see it? Click the loop. And then you browse the computer from your file, and also make sure that you've already downloaded the music. Hanapin nyo na wherever you put the music. So, what am I going to add is, for example, Angel's Dream or Alicia Shepherd. Okay, this is Alicia Shepherd. And what I do is like this. I copy the title of the music and then open. There it is. And just click, make sure it's okay, and it's okay. It's a loop. All right. And click OK. So you have your music one. Right-click and rename that music. Right-click, rename, and paste or Control V. And then press enter. There's the title of the music. And you're going to add another background. You want a background. Like it's very black. So you can add a background image maybe, or like what I have, a media source. Another media source may be a video or GIF. Okay, click OK. Click loop, browse. So we'll be looking, make sure you have your video also, or GIF. It can be a GIF or a video. May videos ako dito. Where is it? Wala, inalis ko na yata. So we can put a video or GIF. Hanap ako sa downloads. It's not here. Pili tayo. It's not here. Oh, sa downloads yata. sorry. Ay, yes, I have one video. Okay, for example, this one. Nasaan na yun? Maybe this one. This is a video. Okay, maybe that one. Okay. So I have that video already. Let me try. So I have the outro video and then everything. And then you can put the title. Title for write text. Text tayo. So click text. Pwede ka magsulat ng text. So title na lang. Supers lang or whatever. Supers. Yan. And then dito mo isusulat here in the black portion. What are you going to type is super love channels, like that. Or whatever you want to say. Yan. Okay. Select font. It's 256. Maybe liitan natin siya ng 100. And then you can select font. Kahit anong font. Arial, yan. Century, Comic Sans, something like that. Consolas. Ano yun? My favorite was, ano ba yung favorite ko? Harrington. Let's check Harrington. Kunwari, ayan. Okay. Ayan. And then we can choose the color. Can be any color you want. Okay, yellow is my favorite color. And you can put an outline. Lagyan siya ng outline. It's white. Default white. Pwede natin gawing, you can make it orange or green or pink. Like that. Outline. And then the weight, pwedeng palakihin. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O yan, malabo na. It's like that. And then click OK pag tapos na. So there you go. You have it now. Handsome princess, anong ginawa mo? Okay. So that's how you do your Ayan, you can see on the left, it's already moving. Okay, so gagawin natin this one. This is the video which we're going to use as background. Kunwari, gagawin natin siyang background. So, right-click natin ito. The video, ayan yung video. Right-click dyan. I'm sorry. What happened? Napakalakas ng volume, sorry. Nagdoble. Sorry. I did not notice. Ayan. Kumusta na kaya ang volume? So we have your music. And ayun, yan. Take note, may sound yung video. So tingnan natin kasi na-slide ko na doon ano. Take note of the volume of your music. Dapat yung music mahina. Ayan, sorry. Music, babaan lang yung music. Naka-volume siya kanina, sorry. Naka-volume yung music kanina. Kaya babaan. And make sure na desktop audio ay wala. Sa video kanina, mayroon siyang sariling sound. Kaya tigilan natin yung sound nun. I-off ang sound. Off the sound of the video. Dapat naka-zero. Check out the other things that are here. The sounds na magiging kaagaw ng ating sounds. So we have here the music, the audio input capture, and nasa ibaba yung video. That's the problem, di ba? Nasa ibaba yung video, lagay natin siya sa ilalim. So right-click the video, right-click, highlight the video, right-click, and order to bottom. Yan. Order to bottom. Nasa ilalim na siya. And then this one, Alicia Shepherd has the image here. Ayun. Ilalagay natin siya sa ilalim. So, highlight, right-click, order, move to bottom. Yan, adjust na lang natin itong mga to. So, yan, makikita natin, nagalaw ng galaw yung background. You have your background, so it's, anong gagawin nyo? It's up to you kung paano nyo gagawin siya. Ilalagay siya dyan, or make another, yan. Ayan na, ito na siya. So, when you slide this one, when you slide this to the right, let me see. Let's slide this to the right. Just an example. There you go. So, this is what you see now is the output. Ayan na. The slideshow. So, that's all. That's all. So, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Malakas yung microphone ko. Sorry. Malakas? Para ma-check yung microphone. Malakas yung mic. Alright. So, hanggang yun na lang po. That's it. Ito yung laman niya. Ito lang ang laman niya. So, as you can see, we only have here the microphone, the input, capture, video, and then the music. This one is the background video. Yan. Nilagyan ko lang ng music kunwari para magulo. So, I have here my, pwede mong palitan ng kahit ano. So, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you learned something from here. Maraming salamat, Tony. That's it. And everyone. Madali lang siyang gawin. It's so easy. As long as meron ka na nito, you already have this one. And in streaming, meron naman akong videos na nun. So, you can record here. You can record everything. So, I did not record. I just do this on live stream. So, I'm going to get this as a highlight. Gagawin ko siyang highlight soon. Yon, Handsome Prince, huwag kang mag-spam. Ano nangyari? 4 millionaires, thank you so much. Okay. Hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang dyan na lang muna yan. Okay? So, ganun lang po yun. So, that's how I do it. Pasensya na. Okay lang ba yung music ko kanina? Okay lang yung microphone? Masyadong napalakas yata. Okay, ganun lang po yun. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. That's how I do the live presentation. And you can arrange that like how I do it. Kasi pwede mo siyang i-drag, pwedeng palakihin, pwedeng paliitin. Yun. Thank you so much everyone. It's 6:05 in the evening. And they are still here at LuvLiNes.